All right, so in this case, last one, going to take the name, lift it up. All this stuff is the same right now. So we lift this up 12, we align it, we group it, we go to multicolor, and then we rotate it 90 degrees this way. Make sure it's down on the plate. So notice those things are staying the exact same. Here, go up 12, align it, and then you move the star over 1 to the right, and then group it. Awesome. Okay, so here's where things are going to get not really interesting, but they'll be a little different. I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it 90 degrees this way. I'm going to check to see if it's on the ground, and it looks to not be. So you're going to move it, you have to move it 90 degrees and then down so that it's on the plate. I'm going to take this one, going to move it 90 degrees and down so that it's on the plate. Just want to make sure everything is kind of working nicely. And then same thing here, 90 degrees and down on the plate. It's good. The number on the right needs to be 0. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take the bottom one, the last two stays the same. So the N and the star, it's the same. The second one is going to go up 20, and the next one is going to go up 40. I'm going to align these. So we have Jason for Jason. So that's how we're going to do that. Now, if you have a longer name, then I should see more cubes. Or if you have a 6-letter name, then that should just be a letter. So that's what I'm looking for. This is going to be, and I mean, you can group this if you want, doesn't matter, because all you're going to do is submit this screenshot. So what I want to see is I want to see the letters every letter should only be sticking out 2 units. So they should all be sticking out the same amount. You should see a difference of coloring. So it should be red, white, blue, but with the names being blue, red, white. And your name should be spelled, if it's Jason, it's J, and then A, and then S, and then O, and then N, with a star there. And the star is only if you have an odd amount of numbers, or odd number of letters. So that's the extra credit. We've done Tinkercad before, so I thought that I'd make a nice, easy, achievable extra credit assignment. Now, other things, I want to see everything, just make sure everything is aligned, and especially when you're doing some rotations, make sure that you're doing the exact numbering, and make sure that you're bringing everything back down to the plate if it removes itself from the plate. So all pretty straightforward stuff, and you're going to take a screenshot of this and submit that in the assignment called extra credit. Okay, great.